Hello everyone, my name is Colin Swebi and I'm a firstborn in this family of ours, and I hope that this message finds you doing great, and I also want to wish you a happy Christmas holidays and a new great year 2024. So I'm going to be brief because the information that you might need to know more about the projects that I want to start, you'll find it in the description that I've provided. And I hope that it speaks to you, because the reason for me to actually upload this video is to inform you of the reasons uh, for my interest in agriculture, because whatever I'm doing here right now, as you can see, things are not very bright. Things have become difficult. I graduated almost 6 years ago, and finding a job has been a very difficult challenge, and I have not been able um, to secure one. So, and that is the reason I decided to start the shop some years back. But now things do not look good. But I'm thankful that it has also supported us for a while. From this shop, we've been able to sustain ourselves in terms of paying for rent, paying for food, and also partly paying for school fees. But now things are not so good, and the customers and everything has gone down. With the rise in cost of living, challenges have gone up. So, and that has informed my intention to start an agricultural venture, and it's something that I'm very much interested in, to start a chicken farm. And apart from that, I'll be doing also some crop farming, and for me to be able to do that, I will need financial aid, and it has not been easy, and for me to just come up like this and ask for your help, but um, I had no choice, and I believe that with your help, things would look brighter for me and my family. And also through my involvement in agriculture, I believe that I'm going to inspire a lot of youth and maybe other people who do not have jobs to also venture into maybe agriculture. And in this way, we can be able to solve issues related to food insecurity, and be able to sustain many livelihoods. So I believe that with your help, um, financial assistance, um, we can make a difference in the world. And I'll, I'll be updating everything in the channel. Whatever I'll be doing, the donations that I receive, I'll upload informations on my progress, and you can be able to see what it has done. So, but because I wanted to be brief, most of the information you'll find it in the description. Agriculture is something that I've wanted to do for a long time, but I've been unable to do it because of lack of funds, and the little that I had, I could not invest it in agriculture because it was so little that it could only maybe start a shop, and that's what I did, and it helped for the time being. So for now, I'm intending to get your assistance, and because from your assistance, I'm pretty sure that I can be able to actually secure a piece of land, and because my intention is to acquire a piece of land, also use the donations that you provide, to buy construction materials, which I'll use for the chicken farm, and also constructing a simple housing for myself, which I'll use due to challenges that we face on a daily basis. Sometimes you get yourself thinking so much. Like in my case, I've been getting depressed sometimes because of um, feeling like a failure, uh, even if the opportunities have not been, coming up. And I think my main stress is how I can be able to financially be independent and maybe most importantly help my mom to sustain our lives because she has suffered for a long time and she has been hoping that I'll be the difference maker and maybe change the life, the struggles that we've been going through. And it was also my wish that I could be able to do that, to help my mother and my siblings as well. So you can see even at this shop, I started it to help myself and my mom and my siblings to to sustain ourselves, but it's no longer sustainable, and that is why I've come before you. So I want to believe that as much as I've not taken too much time to explain, that I have communicated honestly from my experience, and I hope that um, it's going to help. So I'm hoping that this year at least there'll be a difference, and with your help, I trust God that the year 2024 will be a year of blessings, and the blessings that you'll offer to me, I'll also extend the same hand to others who might need help in future through, you know, trying to support the people who are struggling financially. Um, it's something that I feel strongly about, and I know that when one person succeeds in a place, um, many people under that person benefit, and they also get to live a happy life. And I'm hoping that the year 2024 will be a happy year for me and my family, and for the people that I'm likely to employ, because I know that when I start this chicken farm, I'll have to employ a few um, people to help me work around, um, and also the farm for the crops. Some people will get at least some jobs which they can be able to support themselves too. My intention is to be part of a solution rather than as a problem itself. So previously I've been feeling like a problem, but I want to believe that this time, with your help, um, I'm going to feel as a part of a solution and become a solution actually to uh, to myself, to my family, and to people that I care about, and those who will get to learn and be inspired through my activities that I'll showcase in the channel. So I believe that with your assistance, um, success is going to be my portion, and I very much thank you and appreciate you. And I'm looking forward to your assistance. And from the bottom of my heart, I'll thank you so much, even for you taking your time to read the description that I've provided and listening to me. It's a great thing. Thank you.